1. OpenAI API Key. The OpenAI API uses API keys for authentication. Visit your keys page to retrieve the key you'll use in your requests. 2. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a copy generator that provides automated creativity tools for various industries, focusing on providing copy for blog writers, social media managers, and email marketers. 3. Play.ai. It does so with the help of artificial intelligence voice actors. There are over 800 natural-sounding voices and more than 130 different languages and accents. 4. Soundful. It uses an algorithm to analyze music data from a variety of sources, including tracks that already exist, and then generate something new according to your preferences and styles. 5. U.com. The multi-dimensional interface with horizontal and vertical scrolling lets you discover more in less time.